PITAKA's packaging immediately signals a premium, almost gallery-like presentation. Sliding it open reveals a neatly framed case resting in a molded tray, accompanied by minimal yet purposeful documentation. Inside, the experience feels curated rather than commercial. You are greeted with a card explaining the philosophy behind the Aaron button, referencing Aaron Swartz and the idea of open, frictionless access, an unusually thoughtful inclusion that adds narrative depth to what would otherwise be a purely functional product. The included setup guide is concise, visually driven, and centered around NFC-based configuration, reinforcing the product's seamless integration into a modern smartphone workflow. The PITAKA Edge Sunset Ultra Slim case with Aaron button is a highly specialized product that executes its vision with precision. It is not designed to appeal to everyone, nor does it attempt to. Instead, it targets users who value material engineering, minimalism, and functional augmentation over brute force protection. The combination of aerospace-grade aramid fiber, an exceptionally refined ultra-thin profile, and the intelligently implemented Aaron button creates a product that feels both elegant and forward-thinking. The sunset finish adds a layer of visual sophistication that elevates it beyond a purely utilitarian accessory. For Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra users who want to carry lighter, live smarter, and interact faster, this case represents one of the most compelling minimalist solutions currently available. It is quite simply less case done exceptionally well.